Hey my lovelies, if you feel like you're always working so hard but you're never quite getting ahead, or money feels like a constant state of confusion or anxiety, then I want you to know it is not your budget, it's your belief system. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Noah Simone, and on my channel I talk about personal growth, self-love, and healing mostly. So if you like that type of stuff, make sure to subscribe because I'll be dropping gems, okay? If you clicked on this video, then you know that we are talking about having a scarcity mindset today. Your ability to attract and hold abundance is being subtly and painfully blocked by a scarcity wound. A deep, unhealed belief that there isn't enough or that you aren't worthy of what is. And that's real pain. Trust me, I've been there. But today, we stop operating from fear. We're gonna treat this like a mindset detox. We're not just talking about affirmations. Today, I'm giving you 5 precise structural mental shifts. The new sovereign blueprint that will permanently rewire your brain to stop operating from lack and start attracting stable wealth. So the first step is detox. We must first identify the source of this contamination. Your subconscious mind runs on a filter, and right now, that filter is set to scarcity. Stop consuming media and conversations that fuel lack. If you're constantly listening to people talk about finances, or if your media feed and your algorithm is all about stuff that you can't afford, you're poisoning your mind. And I know this pattern well. Growing up in a household where I just always knew we didn't have enough, I would never ask for anything for Christmas because I was so used to being told no. I knew we couldn't afford much because from a young age, we always lived in the roughest parts of town. I could feel my mom's struggles and I internalized them. So when I got older and started making my own money, I always felt like I never had enough money. And I had to work so hard to get the money that I had. Even though I was making a lot of money, I never felt I had enough. And that caused greed, fear, and more of a lack mindset. And that was the contamination. Once I understood that there was plenty of wealth to go around and that I am worthy of abundance, and I am already grateful for what I have, that's when I started to receive more until I became well taken care of financially without even having to work hard. The sovereign shift is to consciously curate your input. And let me tell you what I mean by this. We want to choose conversations and people who embody abundance and structure. You cannot build a new reality on old contaminated programming. Step 2. Scarcity is often rooted in the question, do I deserve this? And when you operate from deserving, you're waiting for external validation. And it's like you're still looking for permission. But this is what you require. You don't need to ask for abundance. You are abundance. So stop asking if you deserve it and ask if you require it for your mission and your peace. Does your sovereign self require rest? Does your mission require structured support? Does your inner home require stability? This shifts the energy from passive hoping to active claiming. You are a sovereign being, and you require the necessary resources to execute your purpose. This is a non-negotiable requirement. It's not something you have to beg for. See, the scarcity mindset sees all spending as a cost or a loss. This triggers immediate fear and contraction, which blocks the flow of abundance. Begin by reframing all money as an investment. When you pay for high quality food, it is an investment in your energy. When you pay for a new course, it's an investment in your future earning capacity. And when you pay for a professional service, it is an investment to respecting your own time. This is not a financial trick. This is spiritual truth. You are affirming that the resources will be recycled and returned to you in a higher form. Because when you use money to fuel your mission, it always comes back to you. You cannot attract abundance from a frequency of lack. You just can't. This shift is pure energetic alignment. You have to activate your future self's financial state now. Identify one small, solid action you would take as if you were already fully abundant. This is not about reckless spending. This is about consistent, energetic alignment. Maybe you start drinking your coffee from your favorite mug instead of your cracked one. Or you clean out your wallet and treat your money with respect. This simple act changes your frequency. It tells your subconscious, I am prepared to hold this abundance. I am prepared to hold this abundance. I am prepared to hold this abundance. And it aligns you with the energy of stability and worth. The final step requires flow and structure. Abundance is a constant flow. It's not a static pool. To receive, you must also structure your giving. Structure your finances to include a consistent, non-negotiable tithing or a giving portion. This could be $5 or 5%. The amount is irrelevant. The structure to consistent giving proves to the universe that you are not operating from fear and that you believe that there is enough to go around. This structured system teaches your flow that I am a secured vessel for receiving because I am a confident vessel for giving. Detoxing the scarcity mindset is one of the most powerful sovereign acts you can take. Every day you practice these 5 steps, you are building the mental foundation for a life of true, stable wealth. And remember, you are meant to be abundant. Your mission requires it. Now go put these shifts into action. And if you need a clear, structured system to track your mindset shifts and ensure you're building consistency, my Healing the Mind workbook is the perfect companion. It is designed to rewire these exact beliefs and install the frequency of abundance. If you want the link, it's in the description below. Go download it now. And stop letting scarcity dictate your future. And before you go, tell me in the comments, what is the one small sovereign act you will take today to honor your abundance? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.